CTA, starting to glow. Flashing eyes everywhere I go.
Feel the rhythm deep below. Heartbeat thumping, something jumping.
Yeah.
Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Concrete jungle humming low.
Speakers pumping, feel the flow.
Shadows dancing, watch them grow.
This is where I wanna go. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough. Diamond lights ain't never tough, just pure. Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough. Diamond lights ain't never tough, just pure.
Rooftops wet, dripping slow. CTA, starting to glow. Flashing eyes everywhere I go.
Feel the rhythm deep below. Heartbeat thumping, something jumping.
Yeah.
Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Concrete jungle humming low. Rooftop sweat dripping slow. CTA starting to glow. Flashing eyes everywhere I go.
Feel the rhythm deep below.
Oh,
Heartbeat thumping, something jumping.
yeah.
Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in a drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Concrete jungle humming low.
Speakers pumping, feel the flow.
Shadows dancing, watch them grow.
This is where I wanna go. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top. Lose all fear in the drop. Never ever gonna stop. Yeah, the bass it just won't flop. To the rhythm, to the top.
Sunrise coming soon enough. This feeling is more than rough. Diamond lights ain't.
Can you guys hear me now? I don't know why, for some reason, the sorry guys about that. I don't know why the mic wasn't feeding through the sound. Tell me if you can hear me now. Just give a thumbs up in the chat quickly, guys. Give a thumbs up quick. Okay, but what all I was saying good morning guys. Hope you're all well. Let's have a fantastic day, right? I'm putting the chat up on the screen and then we can get into it. Guys, I did take a very good trade yesterday. Okay, on the New York session, I took a short, able to make back my loss yesterday plus so much more. As we can see, my balance, I'm halfway through the account now, so I need another I went a little bit over the consistency rule, so I need like another $5,000, then I can pass this account, which is super cool. Okay, but what I'm gonna do quickly, I'm just gonna get the chat up on the screen for you guys, and then yeah, we can break down some charts quickly, see if we have a setup this morning. I'm going into the day, guys, with 3 bullets, right? I'm going into the day with 3 bullets. And what do I mean by bullets? I'm taking 3 shots, 3 trades this session, okay? I'm not going to take more than that, all right? So 3 bullets is what I'm giving myself today, all right? It's Tuesday. Price action should be a bit better than what yesterday was, okay? So 3 bullets is what I'm going to be giving today to the market, okay? Depending if I need the full 3. Just because I gave myself 3 doesn't mean I need the full 3. So yeah, okay. But who do we have here in the chat? Sarvesh, good morning. Marido, Captain Price, Doggo, Adam, Daniel. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh, Dan's in a buy. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll have a look now. I'll have a look now. If you guys have not already, man, just drop some likes on the stream while you're coming in. Let's push the likes up, guys. Come on. I'm going to try to do a giveaway the stream for you guys, right? I need to actually ask permission. Just hold on. I completely forgot to ask permission to do a giveaway. Let me just ask permission now. I'm literally, guys, I'm just texting. Hold on. I'm gonna ask permission if we can do a giveaway today for you guys. Okay, let's see if they're gonna be kind enough to say yes. Hold on. For you guys, right? Okay, so cool, man. Let's do some breakdown, guys. I think we are going to be very bearish today. I think just by looking at the daily chart, if you know, you know. I'm just curious. Out of all the guys that have been watching me for quite a while, we're looking at the daily chart right now. Before I break it down, I would like to know why. Okay, there's two reasons why I think we can be very bearish today, right? Well, there's a few, but there's one in particular reason why I think we can be very bearish today. And I want to see if any of you guys can tell me why I think that. Right? Come on. Look at the chart. Okay, they've just approved. I can do a giveaway today, guys. I can do a giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 3 150k accounts today, right? I mean, sorry, 3 50k accounts. 3 50k accounts. Okay. So let's see here what we have here. It's the last daily candle broken the inside bar. The last daily candle broke in the inside bar. Broke H4 inside bar, broke inside bar into bearish news. Yeah, so Tony is correct. Okay, on the daily time frame, I haven't looked at the H4 time frame yet, but the daily time frame, we broke this daily inside bar, which is crucial, and it tells me a big story that we're going to go short. We also closed back below that EMA. Okay, also another important key level. So I mean a key point. So we have a lower high, guys, over here where I'm marking this box. So we've got a lower high, price sold off back under that EMA, daily inside bar, broke to the downside, back below that EMA. I think we can very well come for some lows today. Okay, I think we can come for some lows today. Just what I see, what I think. Okay, so yeah, I'm bearish on the daily time frame for sure. Today's daily candle open up, put a top wick in, and it kind of looks like we're sitting in a little bit of a consolidation right now. So we'll go on the 4 hour and look what's there. Okay, 4 hourly. Okay, yeah, so 4 hourly, we can see we have price making some new lows. We came into this EMA, prices respecting it. We've just also had an inside bar that was broken to the downside as well on the 4 hourly. Okay, I think this was Dan was talking about in the chat. So very interested to see what's going to happen now. Well, like if we go back a bit, we are saying the daily is in an inside bar, right? So due to the fact that daily is in an inside bar, that means that the lower time frames are most likely going to be ranging. So the 4 hourly is stuck in a range right now. The hourly is in a range right now. We can see we're trapped. Damn, these London sessions recently have not been great, have they, guys? Anyways, so looking at the hourly now, let's if I to draw some key levels on quickly. Okay. I've got a really nice level over here. I like this level a lot, man. Look how price is really using this level. It keeps buying off this level, sitting at the 29,300 area. Very, very, very nice level. Okay. And then upper levels, I'm going to probably use the top of this consolidation. Right. So yeah, we literally trapped right now between 29,600 and 29,300 area, right? And that's okay. We can still trade this range. We can still trade it. If we obviously break back below 29,300, man, I'm going to short the shit out of this. I'll be honest, man. So we can be patient and try wait for the break back below, which might be the best and safest and most responsible approach to this. If we can break and close back below this 29,300, because a breakout of this, I would be 100% convinced we will drop right into the 29,100 area. Okay. Also, due to the fact, if we look left, we are making lower highs, right, and lower lows. So if we can, yeah, make a new low, like a lower low, then yeah, this will kind of tell me a bit of a story saying we're going to short. So for now, I'm just going to stay on this hourly just for the time being. We are coming back up into we have come back up into that hourly EMA. The minute we start rejecting off of it, I might drop to the 15-minute. But I don't want to be looking at the 15-minute just yet, because this hourly is still in this range. Okay. Yeah, Captain, that's cool, man. Everyone have their own plan. Everyone must have their own plan. If you want to look for buys now instead of shorts, that's absolutely okay. There's no problem with that whatsoever. Yeah, no problem with that whatsoever. Okay, giveaway today, guys. So the question is, how am I going to give these 3 accounts away? How will I be giving them away? I don't want to do a duck race, man. I'm so tired of that, I'll be honest. I feel like I want to do like maybe Q&As. Whoever gets the questions right will get the account. Nah, the wheel is not the wheel, not the wheel. I'm not a fan of the wheel. Yeah, Sammy, I am. I'm just very chilling right now. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly have a look at the 15 and see. Nah, I'm not convinced, man. Look at this. I'm not convinced we're gonna buy yet off this level. I'm not convinced. I think we're gonna short for sure. This looks like it's gonna drop. And why do I say that? Okay, well, firstly, let's look to the left. Always look to the left. Look at these highs we have here. Each high is failing to break the previous high. We are making lower highs, right? On top of that, as I mentioned before in previous streams, there's a theory in trading called knock. At a point when price taps a level so many times, right, it'll eventually will break. So the fact price has come down into this level 1, 2, 3, 4 times, failed to break it, we might very well, if we come down to this level again, there's a high probability price might break that level. Okay, so if price does want to buy from here and come back up into the 29,600 area, great, that's cool. That can very well happen still. But looking at this, I want the shorts. I want those shorts. Tony, yeah. No, I'm gonna wait a bit, guys. I'm gonna do a giveaway a bit later in the stream. I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna think about it, how I can go about doing it this stream. Just a show of hands, guys. Who in the chat is trading with FunderPro Future accounts? I'm just curious how many guys in here are trading FunderPro Future accounts as we speak. How many of there are you? Because I do know, I've seen a few people in here that might be, I think. I know that some are trading other firms as well. It's just a curious question. And if you're not trading FunderPro Futures, why the fuck are you not with me? Okay, just Tony. Just Tony. Tony, are you 100% sure you do? This is what I'm asking. Are you 100% sure you trade with FunderPro Futures, brother? Like 100% sure. I don't know. I've got an idea as well to give these accounts away. Okay, I've got an idea. So what I'm gonna do, right, for these 3 accounts, this is what I'm gonna do to give them away. I'm doing something very different, something very whatever. So for the first 3 people, that use my code CAM, right, and get themselves a FunderPro account, I will double you and I will send you a free account right now. That's what I'm going to do. If you are thinking of getting yourself a FunderPro Futures account, right, or if you're about to do it, you can do it now. Use code CAM, and the first 3 people that do it will each get an extra free 50k account that you can copy trade, right? So it's actually a fucking deal if you think about it. That's actually a fucking deal, I think. That's a deal. That's a deal of all deals. That's a deal of all deals, I'm telling you. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I can see out of you guys who uses the code as well. It comes up on my affiliate dashboard. And you know what? You know what? It's a win-win for the first 3 people anyways. You get a free account to copy trade your account. It's a deal though. It's really a deal. Like, no, Dan, it's cool, Dan. I know you have other plans, which is 100% okay. But for the people that are looking to get a futures account of Funded Pro, use code CAM. You'll get 20% off, which means you can get a 50k for $60 or $50 or $60, something crazy like that. And then I'll send you a free account. First 3 people, guys. First 3 people. So if you've purchased one, tell me, I'll go confirm that. Alright, I will go and confirm that. Still waiting here, guys, on NQ. Let's have a quick little look at Goldie Gold. Sure, no. I'm really not the fan of Goldie Gold. Such horrible price action every time. MNQ, let's go back. MNQ. Okay, I'm on the hourly, guys. I'm just gonna stay on the hourly chart for the time being. When did I get 4K? I got 4K yesterday. I came back in the New York session. I gave myself 1 trade and I took a short on NQ. I will, guys, break that short down in a minute. Yeah, and then once I break that short down, you'll understand why I made 4K. Babe, can you just like a bit? It was a very crazy trade. I went in with like, I think it was like 30 micros. Price just absolutely dropped. It was around that New York Open. And I made back my loss yesterday plus. It was like a 6k trade because I was down 2k, so it was crazy. I am a little bit over the consistency rule now, so yeah, it's okay. So I need to make like 5,000 now instead of 4 to pass. But Patrick, done. Whoa, did you purchase a Funded Pro account using the code? Is that what you did? Because if you did, tell me. My daily bias is bearish, bro. My daily bias is bearish, brother. Bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay, Patrick, I'm sending you a free account, bro. Please, I think, okay, I have your email in the Discord WAP, I think. So I'm going to send you a free account, okay? I'll get Pro to do that for you. So congrats, bro. You've won a free 50k account, which you can copy trade if you want with your new account you've just purchased. Anybody else that's made a purchase with my code CAM, I will get you a free 50k account. There's 2 more left. So the next 2 people that have purchased with my code CAM will win a free account on top of that. So buy one, get one free right now, basically. That's a deal of a deal, I'm telling you. getting two 50k accounts basically for I like that. It's so much better than just giving random accounts away to people. Gary did you do it? Has to be done right now on the stream. No, it can't be in May. It has to be done now, guys. It has to be done now. Yo Mimi, what's up? It has to be done now. Okay, look at price now rejecting that EMA. I'm gonna break down my trade I took yesterday, guys, shortly. Okay, I'm gonna break down. Gary, no worries, bro, no worries. But yeah, so whoever gets an account now, while we purchase an account now using my code CAM, I will make sure I send you guys a 50k account for free. There's 2 more left, guys, 2 more left. Zalo, you buy. I don't know. You need to tell me your name so I can check that you really did it or not, because I'm not going to accept these scammers. Zalo, what's your name? Okay, I see that another person bought, but I don't know who that is. Okay. 1 more left, guys. 1 more left. Whoever purchases the next account code CAM will win the last 50k account for free. 1 more left. What's NQ doing? Okay, I'm gonna break down shortly, guys. I will be breaking down shortly. Okay, so my trade I took yesterday. Yesterday, guys, after stream, man. Yesterday, guys, the chart played out exactly like I wanted it to. It was crazy. Okay, let's zoom up. I'm gonna go back to yesterday, where it happened. So I was looking for shorts on stream yesterday. Was I wrong? No, I was actually right. Price did exactly what I wanted it to do. Over here, if you look at where my arrow is, this was the consolidation where I got trapped yesterday, and I was looking to short. What happened on that New York Open? Price just fucking dropped like crazy. Okay. Now you're probably asking, Cam, how did you take that trade? Well, let's see. Okay. This is how I took this trade, guys. It was a very aggressive entry, but man, I was confident. So make sure you can see. So this was us trying to short yesterday in this range, and price just stopped me out 3 times. And then the New York session, okay, the minute we broke back below this key level down here that I said, remember what I said on stream, like if we get back below that level we should drop. we had this big 15-minute closure back below that key level. That was where I entered. So I entered on this 15-minute candle over here. Okay. When this 15-minute candle turned red after making a top wick, I entered really aggressively off candle science theory. I've taught this before in my community course thing I did for the guys. So candle science is when price opens, makes a top wick, flips bearish, expecting a new low. So I was expecting a new low of the day. So when this candle flipped after having a big bearish closure back under that EMA, back below that key level, I got in on this hourly candle, stop loss above the EMA, and price just tanked, and I caught like a 1 to 3 on that. Okay, that was the short I took yesterday. I'm not going to go to a lower time frame and break that down. That's a bit of a schlep, but yeah, that was the trade. Okay, look at this now. 15-minute trying to get back under that EMA. You just look at what the hourly did right now. The hourly, you see, this is why I don't want longs. The hourly came up into the EMA, tapped it, and now we're pulling back low, below. I'm giving myself 3 bullets, guys, today. I will be honest. I can no, let me wait a bit. I need something a bit more clearer. I need something a bit more clearer right now, guys, on this 15. If we get a 15-minute closure, guys, under this 29,300, I'll look to enter short. Chat. What are they buying with your code? The people that are using my code CAM and purchasing any Funder Pro Futures account, I'm sending them a free 50k account. So right now, I've got already 2 people that have won, because I've seen 2 purchases. So the next purchase will win the last 50k account, but you have to use code CAM, guys. You have to use the code CAM. And if you don't have an account and you guys want to sign up, check the chat, guys. I've pinned the link to stream there. I've pinned the link to the Funder Pro Futures. You can sign up with that link, or it's in the bio of the stream. Either way, I'm in short. Nice, Dan. Yeah, I need to wait a little bit more on it, personally. There is a 15-minute inside bar break, as you did say, which is correct. I was looking at that, but that's not enough for me. I need price to be below this EMA, because for me, that's going to be where the money lies. This inside bar can't fail. It can't fail just due to the fact price is bouncing off that EMA right now. Not saying it's wrong. You could very well be right. But the fact we've come down into this key level sitting at 29,300 and we've rejected back above that EMA, that's the only bit that I'm a bit skeptical about. So I'm gonna what I'll do is I'll wait for price to close under the EMA first, then I will look to maybe enter a short. I'm not too worried about entering straight based off that inside bar. If I have to enter a few points later after, that's okay. So it's not end of the world. What happened?
I think she's been by the alcohol a bit.
Bring her here?
You didn't need her.
No. Bring her.
I called the vet because it can be very dangerous.
Sorry guys, my dog she was outside now and she got something bit on her nose and she's got a big lump on her nose now. But she seems okay.
She's okay, but
Fuck. Yeah, Dan, what did you say? You said a trade a little bit more aggressive on these accounts. Yeah, man, 100%. I'm always trading aggressive on my challenge accounts as well. She can breathe fine.
yeah, it's good,
I think it's something just bitter.
but yeah.
Maybe a wasp.
What is that?
Like a, you know, a wasp, like a bee.
Yeah, no,
But usually if a bee bites, it's much bigger.
no. With time,
Oh.
I don't know. I have no idea what that is.
Okay. What's good? Cam Bam, what's up? What's good? Let's see, man. What's happening here? You see, here we are respecting that EMA. This is why I was like a bit skeptical about shorting that just yet. I needed to see the closure back below. No, my love, please move that way. Still no trade for me. I'm still waiting, guys, for something clearer. I'm still waiting. Price can very well also, want to maybe take some buys up, grab some highs into this level and then sell off. That is possible as well for price to buy first and then sell after. It's not like impossible. It can still happen. Yes, I'm bearish, right? But just reacting to what the market's doing is always the best bet. Trading's been good. Actually, I'm talking shit. No, babe, please remove that toy, okay? Take it away from her. I can't hear anything, okay? Thank you. Trading's been really shit recently. I'll be honest. Okay, well, not really shit. I made a video, guys, on my YouTube channel. I'm not my YouTube channel, guys. I made a video on my Instagram yesterday, and just for the people that are wondering, guys, my last Instagram got hacked. I had to delete everything. Some people were getting random. I got hacked, had to delete everything, and then my Instagram I made it private for a while, and now I've opened it up again. Okay, but I made a video yesterday talking about just the truth behind trading full time, and I was saying the truth of, you know, that this last 3 weeks, 4 weeks of me traveling haven't been the greatest for my trading. It showed an impact on my trading. I've been on quite a big losing streak this last 2 weeks. I've lost between $10,000 to $15,000. That's from money being put into challenges. That's from personal accounts, all combined. I'm down about $15,000 to $20,000, and it's just me being really transparent, just telling the truth of what it's like, you know, trading full time. We're not all these full time traders, you know. We're not going to always have these massive win streaks. We do lose, you know. We do also go on these phases of losing a lot of money, and then we go on the phases of making a lot of money as well. It's just is what it is. There's no shame to hiding it at all. There's no shame to hiding it, because the guys that are ashamed to hide it are guys that obviously, you know, are just fake as fuck. Like, I wouldn't be telling the world, yeah, I've lost $20,000 in the last 4 weeks trading. So yo, okay, check it this, guys. Look at this price. Look what's happening now. Shit. What's the time? I don't know if Dan is still in this trade. Holy fuck, my bro. This could be the short, guys. I'm gonna wait now. Let's wait for price to break this level. Close below. We have 17, 18, like 2 minutes. We have 2 minutes until this level gets broken. Now I need to sit on my hands. Obviously I have a bit of FOMO. That price is selling off so hard, but my short isn't confirmed until this level down here gets broken through. I need this level to get broken through, and then I'll enter the next 15-minute candle. Fuck me. This could be the breakout, guys. There's a lot of selling pressure coming in right now. Yeah, check this 5 minute. Holy smokes. Okay, yeah, we are breaking out now of this level, which is good. It's good. So I want to see price come back, retest this level, and then I'll get in a short most likely. But this candle needs to close below. 2 minutes. Just have to wait 2 more minutes, guys, and I will look for a short. Yeah, that came out of nowhere. At least we got some volume, huh? At least we have volume. Adam, very nice, very nice. It's the bumper and it's getting bigger. Don't worry, it's not gonna go to her throat. Like, it's okay, because my mom's dogs got bit by bees before, and the whole face got like a balloon, but it doesn't go to their throat. And that's a very small one. I think it's a. No, she would have cried. Unless she bumped it and she put her nose in something and it. But I don't know. It's not painful if you touch it, no, for her. You see, it's the weird part. And if it was a bee sting, she'd be scratching it, I think.
This is why I sent a message to the vet just to ask if it's...
No, if it was a bee, you can ask. I think she'd be trying to scratch it because, you know, if a bee sting burn. Yeah, no, I don't think it's a bee, my love. I think she knocked it.
She knocked it hard.
Yeah. Probably putting her nose in something and it was like... Okay, guys, 1 minute and this 15 is going to close. I'll look to be entering the next 15-minute candle, okay? This does look good for me. This does look good, okay? I'm going to enter, guys, this with 15 micros. And I want to look to target previous week's low, alright? This is going to be my comeback trade right now. Okay, there we go. Actually, hold on. No. Still pushing. Guys, who's ever on the short is well done, man. Congrats. Look at this 4 hourly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The price is gonna smash through these lows for sure. Okay guys, get ready, get ready, get ready. I'm so confident on this actually right now. I'm so fucking confident. Okay. This is Cam's biggest win of the week coming right now. I'm gonna even enter more, guys. I'm gonna enter 20. I'm gonna put 20 micros on. Fucking this thing just close and not just this thing better give me an entry, huh? Okay. Fuck. It's really pushing, man. This thing doesn't want to fucking close. Close! Oh, it did. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, fuck, guys.
Order filled.
I'm entering a short. Fuck that. I won't lie, my entry's whack as fuck, but anyways. Entry is whack. Worst full of all time, but hey. Let's ride. Let's ride. Take this at your own risk, guys, if you're in this trade, man. Take this at your own risk. This is a very high-risk trade right now. My entry is just not where I wanted it to be. But the fact we had this 5-minute closure back below, broke below, this 5-minute made top wick, flipped. Yeah, let's see. It's a risk I'm willing to take. Wow. Like, I got so distracted by my dog right now because of her being bit on the nose by something. I was on the 15-minute time frame thinking that the 15-minute was going to close, but it's only going to close in 10 minutes. But I was actually talking of the 5. Fuck. Come on, man. This volume needs to stay in. Let's keep pushing down into these lows. There we go. There we go. Come on. Yeah, we're coming for the low. We're coming for that low. Guys, once we break under that low, I'm going break even. Once we hit that low, I'm going break even. Okay, fuck it. I'm going break even, guys. I'm in really heavy sizing, so I'm going break even. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hit the final TP. Come on, come on, come on. Don't get back above that. No, don't. Just sweep my take profit right now. Sweep it, sweep it, sweep it, sweep it. This is a W trade. I won't lie. I've needed this for so fucking long. Come on, hit it, hit.
Order filled.
Cam's back. I'm back. $4,400, guys. Hell fucking yeah, man. That's why I said if we can get back below that key, if we can break that level, we're gonna drop into the previous week's low. Oh fuck, when, guys, how long? It's been so long since we've needed volume like this, man. Do you know how good that feels after losing for like the last... Oh, what did I do? Shit, what did I do? What did I do? Fuck. Fuck. So, yeah, man. There we go. W fucking trade. Oh, Red Fox. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yo, Adam, crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Congrats, everybody. Hit that like button right now if you have not. Hit that like button, guys. Crazy trade. So, which that means I need like $2,000 more and then I can pass this account. Thank God. See now why? Yeah. Whew. It's just a pity that this trade was done on a eval, I won't lie. But it's okay. Okay, guys, I still have one more account up for grabs. Nifa, I know that you were mentioning you wanted to get yourself a Funded Pro Futures account. So I don't know if you've just joined now or not, but guys, there's one more account up for grabs. And how do you get that account? If you use code CAM, guys, and you buy a futures account, I'll give you one for free. There's one more account left. So the next person that uses my code CAM will get a free account. So one more left. One more left. And I'm keep looking at my affiliate dashboard to see who's purchased it. So far by me looking, ready, yeah, 2 people have won. Patrick won, he purchased one of the stream using my code CAM, and a guy called Kyle. I don't know who that even is, but I know Patrick, but Kyle, yeah. So crazy trade. Shit, look at that, man. Look at this 15-minute shot. Absolutely ripping. Hourly. There we go. Smash through those lows. Guys, it's going to be a very bearish day. And why did I say I'm bearish? Because remember what I said. That daily inside bar. It's simple. Daily inside bar. Look, here's the daily inside bar. We broke the low yesterday. Guys, it won't even surprise me if we come down for these lows. I'm telling you. It won't even surprise me if we come down for the 28,000. This could very well happen today on New York session. New York session could absolutely dump. Wouldn't even surprise me. So if you did miss this trade, it's okay, guys. Just be patient. There's going to be another one, I think. There will be another one. Yes or no is okay?
Yes.
I don't think you need the vet, huh?
No, just ask.
So thank God, guys, we're back on a win. Like we got a win. Oh. Cam's back now. I've got a feeling I'm gonna be back. This volume has made me confident. Oh, I should have taken this on my personal account. Ugh, would have been amazing. So guys, now obviously, you know, prices at an area now, we can have a slight pullback, right? This price can pull back from this 29,000 area. Just be aware, we could have a slight pullback. There could be a slight pullback. Oh, my chart's frozen, what the fuck? Okay. We could have a slight pullback from where price is currently before continuing lower. Maybe not, maybe it just wants to keep dropping, but yeah. Not a big pullback, just something slight, you know, so something small. Who took this trade, guys? Red Fox, so nice, man. Congrats, congrats. So can you stop staring into my soul? Crazy guy. You're crazy. I'm looking at the chat, guys, and I'm not looking at your soul, you weirdo. Absolute weirdos. Guys, okay, so I'm ending stream in the next 20 minutes. We're going to be ending the stream, so maybe let's see if there's going to be a possible, maybe there might be a possible re-entry. I don't know. But guys, for the giveaway, there's one more. There's one more left. One more 50k account to be given away. So if you want to win that 50k account, the next person to use code CAM on purchasing a 50k account with Thunder Pro Futures, I will send you a free 50k account. So you basically are buying one, getting one free. One more spot left. So whoever that's going to be is going to get the 50k account. I don't like your UI, nor do I like your layout. What are you talking about my stream, bro? How much is it? I just used your link. I don't know. It depends what account you want to get. I mean, if you use code CAM for a 50k account, I think you're paying $60. Listen, yeah, if you don't like my layout, just leave the stream, bro. I honestly don't care. Like, this is my stream. This is how I run things. You're the first person to ever tell me there's a problem with it. And I've had thousands and thousands of people watching. I appreciate your feedback, but if it's really a big problem for you that you can't see what I'm doing, then just leave the stream. I'm not changing it. This is my layout. This is how I do things. You guys can't afford TradingView. I'm not... Okay, I don't know what... Bro, you seem very upset. I think you need to go for a walk and clear your mind a bit or something. Like, you seem very touched today by something, bro. I don't know. Nifa, you used it. Okay, let me double check if you used it. Nifa. I see your name. Appreciate it, Mac. Appreciate it. Nifa, okay, yeah, Nifa, it was you. So Nifa, I will also get you a free 50k account. Congrats. I'll sort it out, guys, after the stream. Alright. Yeah, I always, Troy, I always come back, dude, every time. Every time I come back. Yo, Randall, tell him, put him in place. Cam Bam. You see, CLB nods, whatever that guy's name is, bro. Yeah, go outside, play with the grass, go to your bedroom, play with yourself. But seriously, like, what is this? That is, I've never heard someone come in here and told me my layout is shit. That's funny, bro. I'd rather you tell me my trading is shit. That makes me feel better, bro. But okay, CLB Nod say, listen, bro. If you don't like the layout and stuff, I think you're talking about the trading platform, not the layout. You can go and write a review and just say, you know, I'm not I'm not the guy working for Funder Pro, like, you must understand. I'm just the guy that trades Funder Pro futures because I love the product. I love the platform. Like, I've never had an issue with it, you know. End of story. You can copy trade. You can do so much stuff on here, and it's so simple, straightforward. Like, it works well. A lot of people use it. I've never had an issue with it. You know, I guess a lot of people like TradingView, okay, and all of those different platforms, but that's cool. That's your opinion. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Who cares? Whatever, it doesn't matter. Honestly, maybe in the future they will change it and you know, give you what you want. Yeah, guys, one more 50k account to be given away. One more 50k account to be given away. So if you want to win that last one, use code CAM. I will be emailing these people now. I wonder if I can see your email. Rawcat, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. It's been a while. It's been a while, but it's nice to have such a nice trade, you know. Talib, yeah, man, does a crazy dump. Very nice one as well. Enki only drops like this when I go long on my funded. Yeah. But trust me, I've been like all week long, like every time I take a trade on my funded, price just ranges. Price just consolidates. It's what's been happening this last 2 weeks. I take a trade, price consolidates. Every fucking time. This is the first time in like the last 2 weeks I've caught such a great trade. Goatee. Yo, goatee dogs, that's funny, dude. That's funny as fuck. Yo, what a comeback. That's so funny, dude. Yo, even CLB Nod is laughing at that one. That's funny. I should have thought of that. Anyways, guys, gonna end stream in the next 5 minutes, which means if you guys want to win this 50k account, I need to give it away to somebody. So the first person that, guys, there's one more person left. Whoever uses code CAM on a Funded Pro Futures account, I will send them a free 50k account on top of that purchase. So you're basically buying one, getting one free right now, man. So I'm watching right now. The first person to make that purchase will win the last 50k account. Nifa, you're most welcome. You're most welcome. Yeah, it's gonna be good when I'm back home as well, guys. In my office, streams are gonna get a lot, much more better again when I'm in my own office space and I'm back in my routine. I made a video, guys. I want to talk about something. Becoming a full-time trader. Just a little bit of something before ending the stream. Guys, full-time trading isn't as glamorous as what you all might think it is. It is great, to a point where you are working on your own terms. You have the freedom to do whatever you want. It's great full-time trading. Don't get me wrong. It's an amazing lifestyle, and I love it with all my heart. But it comes with cons as well. Going on big losing streaks. Like when you're a full-time trader and you're hitting these big losing streaks, it's so important to make sure that those losing streaks are managed correctly by risk. Because guys, if you aren't managing those losing streaks correctly when you're a full-time trader, you don't have any other backup. Like you could lose everything in 1 week. Like generally, you could lose everything in 1 week. And not that I've done that, absolutely not, but I've lost quite a lot of money this last 2 weeks, and it really humbled me. And it's been a while, February, March, April, May, and beginning of June were really big months for me for trading. It's probably been my biggest in my entire career. I made a lot of money, a lot of money through my personal account, through trading prop firms, okay? And this last 2 weeks, I've been on this weird losing streak since I've left my home. And it's not an excuse for, the reason I'm losing. I've just felt that I did some reflecting, and since I've left my office space, since I've left my routine, my mindset just hasn't been there. Like I've felt like I haven't been so focused, I haven't been so patient with my trades. And it's just because my mind isn't just 100%. It hasn't been there recently. So I'm learning that about myself. It's my first time in a long time, you know, since my big win streak, travel trading. And does travel trading work for me? Not really. It does to an extent, but at the same time, I trade better when I'm in my own space, when I'm in my home, when I'm in my office, like, you know, when I've got my trading set up in front of me. That works well for me, you know. So yeah, travel trading, guys, for me, I've realized recently, travel trading while full-time trading, will I do it again? Probably not. Next time I go traveling for like a month, I might slow down a lot of my trading because I know that that can impact me. So yeah, for the guys that are trying to go into full-time trading, just remember, having these big losses, these big losing streaks, is part of it. Okay, you're not going to go full-time trading and just start winning. You are going to hit these fucking brick walls where you're going to be humbled a lot. Like, you will, I'm telling you right now, you will. And I'm in that phase right now. I'm trying to slowly get back on top of that wall and you know, get back on my consistent winning streaks again. I know it'll come, but I'm slowing down right now. I'm not touching my personal account anymore. I'm just going to be focusing on one account or two accounts with FunderPro Futures. I've lost all of my other accounts, guys. I'm going to be brutally honest. I've lost my accounts with the other firms. I have, and I'm proud to admit that. Okay, I'm not ashamed to tell you guys I've lost all my other funded accounts. Right, I've only got one funded account left. That's with FunderPro Futures, and I've got this eval I'm doing now. I've lost all of them this last 2 weeks just by over trading them, by over risking on them. My biggest weakness is over risking. Like, I put a lot of size on my accounts because I'm so confident in my strategy. But when I'm on a winning streak, you know, it's not really ideal to be. When I'm on a losing streak, it's not ideal to be putting so much size on my accounts. But I kept doing that, and that caused me to breach a lot of my funders. Now, yes, I did make, you know, about $200,000 this year so far off prop firms, okay, as well as personal accounts, which is amazing. But I've lost $20,000 this last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's a lot of money that I've lost. So I'm going to slow down now. I'm going to protect my capital. I am a full-time trader, okay. I need to slow down. Right, and just remember that if I'm going to carry on oversizing, trying to make those losses back, I'm going to keep losing more and more. And this is the part of full-time trading that no one really talks about. You see these full-time traders, guys, on Instagram or YouTube streaming, it doesn't matter. They don't talk about these big losing streaks they go on. And I'm telling you now they do. The ones that don't show you that, there's no fucking ways. There's no ways. So, yeah, with that being said, guys, thank you for the stream. Thank you for being here. I'm back live tomorrow. What day is tomorrow? I think we're Wednesday today. Yeah, tomorrow's Thursday. We're back live tomorrow at 10 a.m. Paris time, the same time as today. And let's see if we can get another great move. I'm done trading for the day. I've taken a nice win on this eval. I'm going to be done. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day now. Yeah, so if you want to get a futures account with me, guys, FunderPro Futures does pay out, by the way. Like, they really do pay out. FunderPro Futures have paid me $30,000 this year so far. 30K in payouts this year. And they've never denied a payout. So, yeah. Use code CAM. You'll get 20% off any futures account. Yeah. That's it. So I love you all. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you tomorrow on the next stream. For the winners, guys, I will be trying to get your accounts to you today, or it's going to be sometime this week. Okay, I just need to email them your guys' emails. But yeah, anyways, thanks for being here. I love you all so much, and I'll see you on tomorrow's stream.